Hello everyone, this is Gerald from Instructional Technology. This is a quick tutorial on how to log into your SciLearn. There are two options that you can use. You can go to the PBT ISD web page, click on Logins, and then look for Fast Forward, which is right here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to the student login page of SciLearn. As the teacher, you're going to have to go to Customer Login, click on this, and then put in your email address and password. Now, if you don't remember what your password is, I do not have access to that. So once you get here, what you're going to need to do is click on Forgot Password, and it's going to take you to this page, and then you type in your email, and then they'll send reset instructions to your email telling you how to reset your password. Another way to do it would be just to go on Google, type in SciLearn.com, and from this page, again, you can choose Customer Login, and then this icon, and then just log in. Now, for a student login, it's somewhat similar. Let me just close these. For student logins, all you have to do is once they get to this, they have to click on Student Login, and then click on My SciLearn, and finally type in their student account. Now, sometimes there's an additional step asking you what school district or school you're from. So if they type in Pecos, then Pecos High School is going to come up as one of the choices. If you're from Crockett or Bessie, just type in the first word of your school, and it should come out. Same thing with Austin and the kindergarten. Now let me show you how to find your student information. If you go to Manage, and then you find your student. Let's say I look for just Avila, because I'm looking for Dominic's. So I find Dominic's information here. When I click on it, it'll take me into Dominic's information. The student password and username should be right there. I hope this helps out. For any other information on SciLearn and how to navigate it, please go to our website, PBT ISD Web Pages, Technology Department, Technology Specialist. Under click here for tutorials, there will be a SciLearn tutorial there. When you click on it, it's going to take you to the slide deck that I showed you in one of our workshops. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Hope this helped. Again, this is Gerald Julito. Have a wonderful rest of the week.